Just a quick chat about Duke of Edinburgh's Award expeditions and the equipment list. Again, on the DAV website, amongst a plethora of resources, you can download and print off their kit list. It's on 2 pages, and that gives you a really good base start of getting your equipment ready for an expedition. There's 4 sections on the kit list: clothing, personal kit, group kit and additional group kit. Now these kit lists are for walking or water or maybe even horseback riding expeditions, and also across the whole 3 level of awards: bronze, silver and gold. So therefore a number of these items on here aren't suitable for bronze, and some of them aren't suitable for gold as well. I think it's great to get these out, and I still use these now whenever I'm on trips or expeditions. I have a list, get all my equipment out on a bed or a table, tick it off: have I got it, what do I need to get? And also, once I've got all my equipment out, I then think, can I get rid of anything? Do I really need this? Yes, I really do need a waterproof because it might rain and that's a safety bit of equipment, but actually, do I need 3 pairs of socks for a 2-day expedition? Well, actually no, I just get rid of 1 pair. DAV expeditions can be a challenge, and that's their aim, but make it as easy as you can by bringing just the essential items on your expedition. So to summarise, print one of these off, have a look through the equipment you've got around your home. If you need to buy anything, you can get discounts with your DAV card, or ask family, friends if you can borrow any of their equipment. Again, make it as easy and cheap as you can, and lay it all out once you've got it all. Make sure you've got everything before you pack in your bag. We hope to see you with a good amount of equipment and the right equipment on the expeditions with us. Thank you.